My name is Amrita Tirani and I am the chair and the director of Dhamma Foundation International. I am witnessing today an incredibly special event, which is the Sitaram Viva, organized by Balaji Mandir in Eindhoven. I can't describe how it is to witness this. Just imagining that so many years back, this was actually really happening when Sita was marrying to Sri Ram, the crown prince of Ayodhya at that time. It must have been so majestic and so incredible and amazing to witness that. And we feel so honored to have this today here in Eindhoven with Balaji Mandir. Next to me is Arvinji. Thank you so much. Can you tell me a bit more about what is happening today?
Yes. Namaste everyone. Jai Shri Ram. Happy Sri Ram Navami to everyone. Today is the birthday of Lord Rama. So on this divine day, we are performing the Lord Rama and Sita's wedding. So for this, we have the idols, the Panchadhatu Vigrahas, which came from India. They were actually made in Tirupati by a Stapati, and then the idols were taken to Godavari river on the banks of Bhadrachalam, the holy city where Lord Rama spent his time in his exile of 14 years, part of his time. And then from Bhadrachalam, the idols were taken into the sanctum sanctorum of Bhadrachalam temple, and from there the idols were taken to Ayodhya and also on the Sarayu banks where they were performed several puja, and also taken to the sanctum sanctorum, the Garbhalaya of Ayodhya temple, that is Ram Janmabhoomi temple. So it is indeed a blessing to everyone who is here to take darshan of Lord Rama, Lord Sita, Lord Lakshmana and Hanuman to be, at this divine occasion. And after this, the idols will be placed in the Sri Balaji temple for darshan from now onwards. So request everyone to come to Balaji temple to have this the darshan of these divine idols which have the sanctity. I don't think anywhere in the world it had been like that the idols were taken to the sanctorum of two prominent places in India and again got here to the Netherlands. So it is indeed a blessing. I am very fortunate to be in this event, and I thank Amritaji for this opportunity and coming here all the way from north of Netherlands to be present in this divine occasion. So thank you very much, Damru International.
Thank you, Arvinji, for this opportunity of inviting us. We feel blessed that we are witnessing this. Can you tell me more about today? What is so special about today and why should we perform today?
Yes. So today is the actually birthday according to the star of Lord Rama. So it is a tradition in the southern part of India where we celebrate Lord Rama's birthday with his wedding. So it is indeed said that the three weddings, the prior weddings, that is one is the Lord Venkateshwara or Balaji wedding. The second one is Lord Rama, Lord Sita wedding, and the third one is the Lord Shiva and Lord Parvati wedding. So these three weddings are to be done so that all the wedding ceremonies are completed. So anywhere, so for example, if a human is getting wedded, it is just for their wealth, their happiness and their growth. But a wedding for gods, that is Lord Rama, Lord Sita, Lord Parvati Mata, Lord Shiva or Lord Balaji, it is like the growth for the entire universe. The peace, the prosperity, the growth for the entire universe is bestowed because of these weddings. That is the reason we do the weddings on these important occasions, Amritaji.
So the wedding, the Sanatana Dharma wedding has different stages. Can you tell me where in which stage we are actually now at this moment?
At this moment, we are about to have the sacred thread tied to Lord Sita by Lord Rama now. So this sacred thread signifies the divine union of Lord Rama and Lord Sita. That is the exact time we are in this part of the ritual today.
Is this something you're going to organize every year?
So there is a plan to organize every year this divine festival in the temple. But this time we are doing it in a big space because a lot of people, there was a lot of requests from many people saying that they want to witness this, and at the temple where we are currently doesn't really support the number of people who are coming to witness this. So that is the reason we want to do this in a big indoor facility, and it's really chilly also outside. So we want to do it indoor so that all the people will be at a comfortable and witness the wedding at ease. Yeah.
Thank you so much, and
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Namaskar, my name is Sangeeta Tiwari and I am the chair and director of W Foundation International. If you are witnessing this video in the background, what's happening here, and you're seeing this, come and join us in Eindhoven. It's I think Theo Komen Land number 1 in Eindhoven, so just be there. Thank you very much. Namaskar.